Google's artificial intelligence division is undergoing its biggest leadership overhaul since merging Google Brain and DeepMind in 2023. Alphabet CEO Sundar Pichai announced sweeping changes to the executive structure of Google DeepMind. At the same time, Jeff Dean, who is Google's chief scientist and one of its earliest employees, announced that he's leaving the company after 27 years. The move comes as Alphabet recognizes its top talent to accelerate the development of its Gemini models and focus on long-term AGI research. Now, under the new leadership structure, Demis Hassabis is stepping down from his day-to-day operational role as the CEO of Google DeepMind. He will now become the chair of Google DeepMind and take on the newly created role of chief scientist of Alphabet. He will also continue to lead Isomorphic Labs, Alphabet's AI-driven drug discovery company. Taking over operational control of Google DeepMind is Corey Kavaklu, who steps into the role of senior vice president. He has in fact been at DeepMind for 13 years and previously served as chief technology officer and chief AI architect. Reporting directly to Sundar Pichai, he will now manage all model development, frontier research, and the Gemini app and developer teams as well. Importantly, Dean is not leaving alone, viewers. He's co-founding a new independent startup called Discovery Loop alongside three longtime Google AI collaborators, namely Sanjay Ghemawat, who is a Google senior fellow and co-creator of MapReduce's panel. The second person is Oriel Vinyals, who is technical co-lead on Gemini. And thirdly, Kwok Le, who is a founding member of Google Brain and a pioneer in AutoML. Discovery Loop is established as a public benefit corporation. Its stated mission is to automate machine learning, science, and engineering to accelerate scientific discoveries. The timing of this double departure comes during an intense global race for AI leadership. Google has essentially faced mounting pressure from rivals like OpenAI, Anthropic, and OpenWeight developers alongside recent talent departures across the industry. Freeing Demis Hassabis from operational duties allows top scientific minds to focus entirely on frontier research. The question here I would like for you to answer is this: will this restructuring streamline Google's Gemini's roadmap fast enough to outpace rivals, or will the exit of veteran researchers now slow down their core research momentum? Let us know what you think in the comments below. This, ladies and gentlemen, is Front Page by AIM Network. Like, share, and subscribe, and always remember, think AI, think AIM.